Okay, so don't do what I did at the first part of this video. I followed the tutorial online, which said cut it here, put it in, and then that's it. But the actual fact is you should probably cut it to about here, hammer it down, and then weld this bracket back on. Because to get a decent rail height, springs are loose and the coilovers are at the bottom of the travel. So I'll sort that now. You get the idea. Originally it was here, so I cut 40 mils out and then hammered it back down again. It was way too high before. I have these pillowball top mounts, but they're made for an E36. The holes just don't line up and no more, so I'm gonna drill new holes for back here. And that's the two upper holes ovaled, and fits in nicely now.